Alright, I did get one revolution out of the generator. Not getting it now. That tells me it's more than likely the starter is getting stuck. That's a good thing. That's a good thing because I can narrow it down. Getting that one revolution was a pretty big deal. So I'm going to look into that now. Just like that, with a couple taps on the starter, just like an old car, so you can fire right up. Got my generator again, I'm happy. And I know what's wrong, so worst case, I'll have to change starter. Well, this has been a very productive Monday. Got the generator going. Now that it's 85 degrees out, I did get the furnace going. And I broke the cover. No, have to try and figure that one out. The problem with the furnace was I took the board out. I used a pencil eraser I was told to do, clean the whole board up and then clean it with some electrical spray, electrical cleaner. Let it dry overnight. Now the furnace kicks on. So with something in the board might be going bad, but at least I know what that is now. So right now, I've been messing around with the Heybike, and I had the tires at 9 pounds because I was riding around here. So I had it really low just to get over the bumps and everything and not fall off or whatever. They say to put less pressure in. I'm putting 19 in now. When I took it on the road yesterday, felt like I was going to fall off with the squishiness of the tires. I'm going to take it for a ride. See how it does with 19 pounds. There are a couple things I noticed I don't like. They did send me this basket, which was nice, for free. This light, I got it as tight as I can get it, and it's loose. On the screen here, let me move my phone. It always says off, so that means there's always power, unless I take the battery off and turn it off. I don't like that. A couple other things I'll try and remember as I'm riding. I put 4 miles on it so far. Don't like the horn too much. I can't really show you the dash. Yeah, the tires feel a lot better with the 19 pounds in them. That was a pretty sharp bend and I didn't feel like I was going to die. And this is hard to tell, but this is a pretty steep hill. I'm going to turn this camera off. Still climbing a hill. I only had to pedal a little bit there in second gear. Climbing a hill at 12 mile an hour. Now I'm leveling out and starting to climb again. The battery seems to drop really fast on this bike. But whenever I go back on flat or downhill, it seems to go back up to full again. So I'm not sure how that works. This is a flat road. Just throttle. Oh Boy, it's hard to turn with one hand. Oh, geez. This thing does move pretty good here. I'm 300 pounds, so. Just doing a test here of, I can definitely feel a difference in power. I got the phone all messed up now. Comparing to the electric, I'm climbing a hill right now, so I didn't go down the hill. I just went straight on doing uphill when I'm still climbing without touching the pedals. I can't get all the way out, but I can pedal and get all the way up, no problem. I'm going to turn around so we can get some recording on this. Yeah, the tires feel a lot better with the 19 pounds in them.